Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to study gradients and equations of straight lines in number 3. The straight line through points D, 6, 3, and E, 3, -2, meets the y-axis at the point F. Determine the coordinates of F. So remember to subscribe to this channel and to also share the link with friends. What we're going to do is to start by first of all determining the gradient M for this equation, for this line, which is given by change in y divided by change in x. And when we substitute, we can take change in y, whereby we have the first y as 3, then minus the second y, which is a negative 2, then divide by change in x. Change in x will be 6 minus the other y, or the other x, which is a 3. Yes, so we're going to have the gradient 3 minus -2 becomes 3 plus 2, which is a 5 out of 3. So 5 over 3 is the gradient. Now with the gradient, we can determine the equation such that the gradient can now be expressed using again change in y, whereby we need to take another coordinate xy, and we use this with any of the provided coordinates. If I choose to use it with coordinate E, now I'm going to have y minus -2 divided by change in x, whereby I'll pick x and I subtract 3. So I can now cross multiply, whereby 3 multiplies everything here, such that 5 will also multiply the other components here. So 3y plus 6, because this is a positive 2. Therefore 3 by positive 2 is a 6. This is equivalent to 5 by x and -3 by 5 also, which gives us a -15. Therefore now we can have 3y at this side equals to 5x. This becomes now a -15 minus 6. We get a -21. So we can remain with y, whereby we will have 5 out of 3 x minus 7, because 21 divided by 3 is a 7. Now our equation is in the form y equals to mx plus c. And you know that when the equation is in this format, we have already two constants. The first constant is m, which is our gradient, and it's already here. So the value of gradient is already here. Then the next is now c. So the constant c here represents what we call the y-intercept. And according to the expression or the equation here, the value of c is going to be -7. So if the value of c is -7, which is our y-intercept, but f should be given as a coordinate, then the coordinates of f will be written as, at the y-intercept, the value of x is usually 0. Therefore, it's 0, -7. That is the coordinate at which the line will cut the y-intercept.